Hello guys, you're all welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please guys, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube videos, please kindly hit the subscribe button if you haven't done that. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how you can be able to move your contacts or transfer them either from your same to your Google account. Alright, so go ahead and open your contacts and go to settings. Alright, so if you can't go to your settings, click on this place. This is where you can find the settings. Okay, yeah, click on that three dot at the left corner, click on settings, then locate your import contact. This is the last option. Yes, import. Click on it and select the place that you want to import the contact from. Maybe I want the contacts that are in Airtel to be imported to one of my Google accounts. Then I click on Airtel, then you click on this next down here. Okay, alright, you click on next, then you select the contact where they want the contact to be located. For instance, me, I want the contact to be located here, yeah, the first one. Then I click on next again at the bottom here. Here's the next, so click on next and select every contact that is in this same. So I have one contact here. Okay, then you click on OK. Click on this OK here, but you make sure you select the contact that you want to import first, then click OK. And once you on your data, activate your data, everything will be backed up automatically to that particular Google account that you imported the contact to. Okay,